What's up guys, this is House of Calisthenics and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can do the perfect handstand in just 5 simple steps. Handstand is a skill in itself and it acts as a prerequisite for many other complex calisthenics exercises such as the handstand push-up, the planche and many more. So today we'll be doing 5 key progressions that will help you to unlock your first ever handstand. So without any further talking, let's get started. So the first progression is the elevated pike hold. In this, we'll walk ourselves up in an elevated position and ensure to keep a 90-degree angle between our upper body and our lower body. This progression will remove the fear of holding ourselves in a handstand position. Let's do it for 30 seconds. So now we come on to the second progression, which is the back to wall handstand hold. In this, make sure to have a shorter distance between your hands and the wall. We'll kick up and try to balance in a back to wall handstand position while pressing down our wrists and maintaining a straight body. So the third progression is the handstand wall walks. In this, we'll walk ourselves up to the wall in a chest to wall handstand position, slowly to the point where our chest, core and legs form a straight line. Let's do it for 30 seconds. Okay, so now we come on to the third progression, which is the handstand presses. Now we'll go back in a back to wall handstand position and try to get our legs off the wall while trying to hold ourselves in a free handstand hold position, performing handstand pulses. Let's do it for 30 seconds. So now it's time for the last and final progression, which is the free handstand hold and exiting the handstand in the right way. Now we'll go in a free handstand hold position and try to hold a free handstand. And once you can no longer hold the handstand, just try to exit from a stronger side or the side you're most comfortable cartwheeling. So let's do it for 30 seconds. So guys, now it's time to group all the progressions that we have practiced till now and give our best shot and try to hold the free handstand. Let's go for it. Okay guys, now you have the perfect way to train your handstands in just 5 simple steps. I suggest you to practice these progressions regularly on every alternative days and practice your free handstand holds on every rest day to get the best results out of it. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, as it will encourage YouTube to push our content to more people and to also boost the algorithm. Also share this video with your friends who are also looking to unlock their first handstand right at home. Also comment down and let me know what other content would you like to see on this channel in the future, and I'll always try my best to bring it out for you. If you like more of fitness and calisthenics related content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a workout video in future, and I literally post new workouts every day. And guys, also follow me on social media for regular content and daily support. And if you're looking for more calisthenics workouts and tutorials, check the playlist right here, and I'll see you in the next workout.